La La Land virtual retreat. Now, this retreat is one where all of the papers and everything are cut out for you. So all you have to do is show up to watch the video, and you need a few other supplies, but mostly all the papers are cut for you. And this is the last time they're going to do it this way. So now they've gone to this other model where, you basically have to do your own homework, supply your own paper, and so on. What made this nice was it just made it easier to do all of these projects without having to do all the homework. You didn't need anything special, so they always included, cutouts of the dies and all those other things that you need to do some of these really amazing projects. Also, because everything was cut for you, some things were scored and things like that. So that made it so that you could do some really much more exciting projects. So going forward, the virtual retreats are going to be a lot different. So the good news about that is that the ones where you have to cut out your own paper tend to be cheaper, because this was a pretty expensive retreat. It was almost $400. So, I saw a video about someone talking about, are there too many virtual retreats? And I think I might discuss that in my next video, because I have another video where I finally finished another virtual retreat, another La La Land Crafts one that was done a little bit differently, and why it took me so long to finish it. It was a Christmas in July. So this one is part of the, usually whatever happens during this retreat is usually she, La La Land Crafts, puts out a new release during this time, and the new release is a Wizard of Oz, and it's an amazing release, and I actually will have a video on my haul showcasing all the things in that release, but because I got almost all of it between what I got in the virtual retreat and then what I bought. So in the retreat kit, we got a bag, which I don't have with me. We got a couple paper pads. We got this one, which is Merry and Bright. I believe we got this Merry and Bright. We got the other, trying to find the other paper pad. Oh, the other paper pad that we got is part of the new release, and it's their Wizard of Oz paper pad, and it's pretty cool. So you'll see some of the papers that I used. We also got this stencil, which is a Wizard of Oz stencil. Let's see, we got score tape. We did get this bag. We got this little binder, and we got this cute little notebook. And then we got a couple of dies and stamp sets. Let's see, we got this stamp set, which is Wicked Witch Marcy. This one, which is Dorothy Marcy. We also got this stamp set, which I actually already had. We got that stamp set. And then we got this like lollipop die, and then these ruby slipper die. So on to the projects. So these are like in no order. So one of the projects that we made was this mache box. You could buy these boxes at Michael's. So we made this box. And the box actually fits, let's see. No, I don't think box fit. I fit something, but no, that's something else. I fit something. Then we made this box right here. And this is one has, you can see the Wicked Witch there. Or, no, this is Glinda. I'm sorry, this is Glinda. She didn't come with our kit. She was printed on a piece of paper that we just cut out. But you can see some of the other parts of the release on here, which is the Emerald City. There's these poppies. But here's the box. So, and then the way the box works is it's got this acetate that comes up, okay? So this actually fits this. I think if I squish that down, it'll fit that. So here is the other project that we made, which is this Wizard of Oz album. And so this little piece was cut from the paper pad. And so you can see some of the other things in here. We got these glasses are part of the release as well. And so is this die, which I want to say we got, did we get this die? I think I bought this die. We didn't get this one. But yeah, so here is the album. And I don't know if you've seen this new binding system where you use these little slits to put your paper through. Anyway, we did get to do that new binding. And I saw it in another video, so I'm going to try to do this on my own and see if I can make it work. But here is the album. So we made this in class. Okay. So, and then this album actually fits in this box. Okay, so there's that. Then we made this card. I bent my son. And there was supposed to be a pop-out feature, but the pop-out feature was not working for me. So I just took it out. There's that. And then here is this one, which is, I forget what they called this one. It opens up like that. There's a pocket here. And then it just kind of fits in there. So, and then this one, which is like an acetate card. And then this, and then, so then once we kind of got past the, I think this might be a couple more, oh, there's one more that has the Wizard of Oz. So there's this one. Okay, so there's that. Okay, and then the rest of these are just like other themed items from Wall Craft. So we have this shaker, which actually I love how this one came out. One. Let's see if I get through all the easy ones. There's this card, which is like a tag card. And then there's this Halloween card. This Boo. We did this one, which is a shadow box card. Okay, and then we did this one. So we colored her in monochromatic. So it's a tag. And then this slides off, I think. And then this part opens up. So that, and there's this, and there's Does this do anything? I can't remember. I feel like this opens. Now I can't remember. Well, maybe it doesn't open. It's been a while since I made it. Okay, then it's like... Anyway, there it is. And then the last thing is this box. And then the box opens up. And then this one is a slide out drawer. And then this side is a little mini album. So that is all the projects and my thoughts. And thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Create the Heart.